Hello and welcome to some more Satisfactory. The stream title, I really screwed up, because, I really did. So, last week on Friday, we had realized that I did not put any of this on the grid. And if you know me, I really like connecting everything together with foundations. And we had built out, this train track, getting everything set up. I had to redo all this. It was so far off the grid, I couldn't figure out how to fix it so that everything will all connect together. Because I really want to put in bigger road system, highways, trains, everything, and I want everything to connect. So over the weekend, I deleted everything we built on Friday, just all that stuff over there. And yeah, I just rebuilt it quick. I don't usually do factory work off stream. However, I was rebuilding what we already built. There's no other changes. I built it how it was, pretty much. And I was starting to kind of get this. And I kind of found a better way to make the train track as well. I made this a lot more straight. I finally found out you can hit Control to make this a lot more straight. And then I added these after, because it snaps right to the bottom. So like, okay, that's cool. So I started connecting these last minute. I wasn't putting them on, because I was putting them on the foundation like that. I wasn't going to do that now. I'm actually working the other direction now, putting the track, then the pillar, and then that. So that's what I kind of figured out how to do, and I gotta sneeze, I think. I think I do. I can feel it coming. It's like, is it gonna sneeze? I don't know. I'm also not feeling very well. Just really, everything in my head is just sore. Thankfully, I don't think my sniffles come across on the stream. Got a pretty good background noise removal thing. So, but yeah, hopefully I'll still be able to stream for a couple of hours here. So I really wanted to do this today, so nothing was gonna keep me from that. Alright. And then also, before I went live today, I did kind of look through, trying to figure out where to go over at. I might not go all the way around like I did this one. I think it was, let me turn on this. It was going to be through somewhere. I don't know if it was around this one, maybe through. We'd have to cut down more trees, but I think I really liked how it looked better. I don't think we'll come through here. I think it was through here that I wanted to go through. With just this open sand area right here. Because then it'll be coming out. And it is up here, ain't it? I think? Oh god, we got a long way to go. Ain't it over here? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Just had to be patient, go a little further. So yeah, I'm gonna be going right there. So yeah, now I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Alrighty. But I noticed my microphone did not unmute when I got back, because my mute button can be really, finicky. Yeah, I think we'll come through here. I think it's kind of easy to tell, because it does have this little dirt path here, so we will have to kind of clear this out. Yeah, we will go around this rock, though, first, and then we'll go straight through. Let's go see where we're at. I wanted to get more of this done, but I was just busy over the weekend. Yeah, I think I got it to where I can just go straight. Straight's a lot quicker, because I can just go every 10 on the zoop, place one down, done. So that's going to be easier. It's just when it's curvy like this, when it's coming diagonal, that's when it can take a little bit more time to deal with. Alright, so I do want to get rid of these because I want to zoop it. I just zoop every 10 and then I place one. I do want my... Oh, I already have them equipped. Never mind. Yeah, this one I will do like this. Because this will be straight. that over here so I can come over here. And if you get it off just a little bit, if you hit control, it straightens it out. So I really love that I figured that out on accident. I don't know what I was doing. But I did not know you could do that. It's crazy. Almost 600 hours in this game and I'm still learning something new. I don't think that'll ever end. I think always going to be learning something new with this game. Let's get it on there. I know I'll finish destroying the rest of that track too, but... Whoops, I'm going too far over. Yeah, to kind of show how far off this was. I mean, I did show it on Friday because we figured it out. But yeah, that's how far off the grid it was. That just ain't gonna work. That's gonna be hard to deal with. So, yeah, I had to do it. I tried to figure out a way. I was like, maybe I could figure out a way to not have to. Don't destroy it yet. Maybe I could figure out a way, but no, I really couldn't. I tried. But it's all good. I think that's the most important tip I can ever give anybody with this game is make sure you build on the grid. When you build a foundation or something, don't just build it wherever. Hit the control key, it'll snap to the grid. Build it on the grid. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to start connecting everything together, like having a highway system or whatever, you're going to be very disappointed and frustrated when you try connecting it all and realizing it's not going to connect. So always build on the grid when it comes to foundations. Alright. Do I need to go... Oh, yeah, I'll go over to here and then we'll make a little turn. I need to make a better turn. I did a good one there. The one over there was not very good. I don't know how I did that one. I'll have to figure out how I did it. So I'd like it to be more casual, more gradual, not casual. I think that's there. Oops, that's over too far. Not that it really matters, but... There we go. I'm still kind of learning railways. I did mess with them in early access, but not a whole lot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of bring this out and kind of turn it. I don't know if what I did here... Okay, yeah, herding control does it. Oh, jeez, I forgot about the electricity, which... There we go. Okay. I don't know if there's an easier way... like this, and maybe if I just... Oh, you can't nudge it. I was gonna do page up until it's straight and then add that stuff. Because that looked like a good corner. I guess I could just place it right there. I guess that's what I could do. We might turn a little bit later, though, because we want to go through here, but that's kind of in the way. I guess we could kind of go like that, though. Yeah. So I'll just put a temporarily put one of these down. Just put it like right there. And then I'll put this on here. And then what I'll do is I'll delete this. Grab that. Place that right on there. Get this, it'll connect right to the bottom there. And beautiful. That's how I kind of started doing it. And we'll get that back on. So we'll get that a little covered. And this will be covered more in foundations too. This won't just be floating here. Alright, so now we kind of continue the turn to a more straight. So I'm just going to kind of build this out a little bit. So I'm going to end up wanting it as straight as I can, probably right here. Let me move it back, so I may just make sure it gets as straight as I can. I think it'll be about right there. So let me just add a thing right here. Yeah, it'll go right through there then. Might need to go up a little bit, but... Oh, let me get the electricity so I can get it easier. So I don't know if I'll fix that turn over there. I mean, it don't matter that much. Gonna get it going a little straight here. Whoops. Right there. It's fine. And yeah, let me go ahead and delete these. Oh, I do need to delete that too, because that'll have to move. Put this on. And then that. Perfect. So this first one going that way, it won't be super straight because this wasn't perfect. Plus it's not along the foundation here, which I guess don't really matter. As long as the train looks good, the train track and everything. Alright, let me go ahead and delete that and then do 10. Just do a 10 zoop. I'll see if I can't get it straightened out onto the... So like I said, it is easier. Just do it this way. We might have to go up a little bit. Oops, I need electricity first. Yeah, I'll just do that. That's fine. That's not too bad. Okay. So let's see if we can't keep going straight or if we'll need to go up a little. Because we will have to end up going down eventually, but yeah, we're going to have to go up a little bit, but not much. So let me grab... Did I have a... I don't have the ramps down there. Okay. I'll just build it like 3 up, I think. I think that'll be okay. Guess we can always go up again if we need to. So that was 3. So now we'll do 7. There we go. And I will cut down these trees in a second. I can't get this on there with not being able to see very well. Okay, looks good. Yeah, let's get these trees cut down. Oh, that is a little off, man. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. Eyeball it. Get it straight, so this will curve slightly, but that's okay. Now it should be more straight for when I go that way. Definitely have to see how far straight we can go, but let's get rid of these trees now. And I'll just get rid of trees as we go. Hello? There we go. It's like invincible tree, maybe? And this one will have to be taken down too. Oh yeah, that should be good. I don't think that one's gonna be in the way. Nope. Yeah, we'll definitely have to go up a little bit more. For sure. I don't know if we should have went that way a little bit more, but it's fine. As long as we don't go over any nodes. I guess that's the whole thing too. So maybe I should go over there and just check really quick to make sure there's no nodes. So I'm gonna just get the electricity over here really quick. Okay. Just want to make sure that we can actually go this way. Looks like we'll be coming right along here. It should be straight east, I believe. Yep, so that's straight west. So it'll be coming right here. So yeah, kind of up through here. Not seeing any nodes. So I don't mind if it's a little... If a node is off to the side, I just can't have it going over a node. Yeah, I think it looks fine. I didn't see anything. It'll come out here and then it'll do a turn and get into that. I'm not going to move that because that is in a good position, so we need to connect it to there. That is a requirement, so... Alright, let's go ahead and get it up here and over there. Oops, wrong one. This one. There it is. Alright, let's bring the track. See if it'll... how straight it'll be now. Oh yeah, looks good now. So I think we can keep going straight. Well, I think we will go up a little bit though, because this is also determining the height of the foundations. When I build over here too, the foundations are going to be built off this. So, I mean, we can't always do ups off those two, but let me go ahead and let me get rid of this first. And we'll grab the ramp. Okay. So let's maybe go up another 3 or so. If we need to go up later, we still can too. And of course it's gonna get dark. Maybe another one, 'cause that one is kind of up right there. That's, you can see the grass there. So that was 2, 3, 4, so do 6 now. Okay, let me get this down, and the electricity, and then I'll... Or maybe we'll cut down these trees first. I just really like having my hover pack while cutting down trees. Oh, we can still reach it though. Barely. There we go. This one too. Oh yeah, we'll get that other one here after I get electricity over here. Was that good? Oh, that was a little off. There we go. Get the power line. Feels like I've been doing train stuff for a very long time, but we did just start this, so... Last week, on Friday. I think is when we started the train track, or was it Thursday? It might have been Thursday. I think we did it towards the end of the stream on Thursday. Ooh, that's a little off. Let me get that back in the center. Kind of fix it. Now, I wonder if going up the hill, up that ramp kind of changes it, because that one went straight, but then I did the ramp and now it's not as straight, which is interesting. Okay, so is that high enough? I don't mind if this one gets close to that, because we won't be building a ramp like up to there. This will go right along there, as long as it don't hit that cliffside right there. Ooh, we might have to set down a train just to kind of see. Did that go the full 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it did. Actually, I think that'll be fine. I'll probably still check it, though. Just to be on the safe side. Reach this one? Yep. Can't reach that one, though. Alright, let's go ahead and get this. Grab the power. And I disconnected. That's fine, let's just go over here. There we go. That one, rid of that one too. This might be close, but I think the train will be fine going by that. Don't think it'll run into it. Yeah. Maybe. Can't hit control because it takes me over there again. I'm gonna go ahead and just drag it right there. Yeah, so I don't think the train really sticks out, does it? I'm not gonna place it down because currently there's a bug where if you deconstruct the train, the game crashes. Oh yeah, it's fine. Okay. So we want to make sure we get the train exactly where we want it before we create it. Before we make it. Oh, that is a lot closer to the ground than I expected, but again, it's fine. Because once this goes off here, it's going to have plenty underground over there, so... Not an issue, as long as it goes this way, fine. Although you do have this area, though. I still think it's fine. Sure. But I think that's going to be... Maybe we'll go up slightly. We'll go up a little bit. It'll be like a fun little roller coaster through this area. Let's go up like 2. And then, whoops. And then I just need this 8. And I think you can do more than 10. I think I'd counted the train tracks you can place. You can bring it out to 12 foundations. But I just figured zooping it to 10, building one that was just a lot easier than doing 10 and doing another 2. Then I won't have to count. I can just... Whoops, I already did that. I don't have to count anything. I can just zoop it out and place. So I am lazy. And it works fine. Yeah, it still wants to drag it over there. It's like, no, just place it right here. Curious if the next one will place fine since there won't be a ramp this time. Alright. I think we're making it further now than we did last time. Yeah, I think we ended about right... Yeah, we ended like right there, it looks like. Cool. And if I had more time over the weekend, this is where I would have stopped, because this is technically where we probably would have been. Again, I don't like doing a whole lot off-stream unless it's just building foundations or something. Because I like foundations. Alright, let's get this here. Oh, we got that, though. We're going to have to do a little turn, ain't we? Okay. Whoa. Power. Well, shoot. Yeah, I guess I was gonna come through there, but we went a little over, which is okay. But yeah, we need to pull it out a little bit and go that way. So we just kind of get an idea of where it's gonna have to go to. How does that look? Oh, that actually looks fine. I mean, obviously it won't be slanted down like that, but we'll just put it right there. That makes a pretty good corner. And get that on. And whoops. Bring this over. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay. These cut down. Alright. Let me destroy these two so then I can just zoop 10. This is a much longer train than I expected too, which ain't a bad thing, but it's gonna be a bit longer. I need to go cut these down really quick. There it is. One thing I was curious about, so there is an object limit, like how much you can actually place down. I mean, I know there's... I think there used to be a way around that in early access. I don't know if that workaround still works, though, but... I do wonder if removing trees increases the object limit because you're removing objects. I am curious if that works that way. I don't know. But we are almost there, which is awesome. So we are going to have to kind of figure out... I should go over here and do this quick. We need to kind of figure out how much we need to go down. Actually, we can go up there, over there, just how this is, and then we can build the ramp down. Never mind. We'll have that greet us. So yeah, we might go to there and then make a turn over. And we're not done. We still got to make a train track back. We did it from... We actually started over here. Yeah, there's a train station there. Then it stops there to pick up more. It's picking up 2 different products. And it's going to bring it down here to this train station. And then we need to take it back up to just there. So not as far. We'll kind of go along this path here probably. Well, we do have some foundations set up. But I think we're going to have to make some more though. Oops, already got those in. Let me get this. Alright, let's see. I think we need to kind of start turning. I'm going to take this over. Oh, is this going to be like perfect? How that's already at? I think it might be. No, I'm going to lose power. Let me go ahead and get down. Ah, just one more. Nice. See, now it connects. Connects to the rest of the foundations. And that's what you want. Alright, let me see where this comes in. Let's see if I can't bring it over. I think right there would be good, then it should be able to turn up there pretty well. So yeah, that I like that turn. So let's put this right here. Grab the power. And I really like the idea. I mean, I originally did all these power things so I could actually just do the hover thing. But I love having this there, and then when I start building stuff, I can just pull power off of here. And if it needs to be on the other side, I can just pull this over and just put it right there. I can have power on either side, which is awesome. Kind of accidentally made it decently. And I mean, I hate that the wire goes through the cable like that, but I really don't want to try to make that perfect. There we go. So I'll come this way. Kind of got to see where it's going to need to come in. Let me come over here. Because we'll probably have to put a flat foundation where a ramp is going to be. Because you can't... Well, you can, but you don't really want to place these on a ramp, because... Actually, you can't anyway. Yeah, you need to place them on flat, so you just have to put a flat one there. You're not going to be driving on it or anything anyway, so... Doesn't really matter. I don't know how far down I need to go, but I do need to get rid of some of these trees. Alright. Well, you need to go down to this one though, so we can get rid of those. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't think we want to go the full 10, otherwise it might not turn very well. It won't look good turning. So I think we're just gonna go maybe to here. We'll try this out first. So we'll try it to right there. Like that. And then we'll take it up to here. Let me kind of see. Oh, it's gonna be horrible, ain't it? Oh no, it's gonna be fine. Okay, cool. Actually, will that just reach that way? It does reach all the way. Well, you know what? That works then. Never mind, I lied. That does not work. We don't want that. So... I think I'll put it like right here. Just want to make sure it looks okay turning. Yeah, we'll actually put it right there. So yeah, just put a flat one here. Actually, it does need to be a little taller though. Actually, trying to think of how I used to do this, because I've done this before. Let me get this in just so I can get... So I can better see how it's going to look next to everything. Why is that not... Wait, did I do the wrong one? What? There it goes. I don't know what happened there. Anyway. Yeah, it's in there that I need to go. There we go. I just needed to see it because it was like confusing there for a second. That's how it goes. And then you just slap this right in there. That there. Get that here. And this over here. And this right there. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. Not too bad. Probably didn't need that concrete there, but I'd like it better than just having that though, so that works fine for me. The turn looks great. Perfect. Okay. We finally made it here. I think I can just grab this. Where's the power thing at? What side is it on is what I'm wondering. Oh, it's over there. Okay. Actually, I think I'm just going to make a pole. So it's not going too much all the way through the station. There we go. That works for me. Alright, so now we'll be leaving here then. We do need... Do I got the two... Oh yeah, they're right there. The two drop-off points. That's going to be our quick wire and the silica. Which you can see on the right side, we have high-speed connectors is what we're doing this for. And we will have plenty of silica and circuit boards and quick wire left over because we are making 1,000 quick wire per minute. I don't think we're gonna... Oh, I think we are gonna use all of them though. I think we're gonna do like 33 per minute of the high-speed connectors. So those will all be taken, but the silica and circuit boards will definitely probably have some left over. Okay. I don't know how much silica we were making. Yeah, that's what's making right here. The silica is making here. Quick wire is making there. And we're going to make the circuit boards. Oh, we're doing the copper sheets there. We already got that factory up. Then we just need to make a plastic factory, which we're going to do right here, I think, at this oil. And then have that deliver up here to make the circuit boards. And then we'll be able to make the high-speed connectors. So... that is kind of the plan. So let's kind of see how this is going to go. Kind of want to move those poles underground. I don't need to do that right now, though. Just a future thought. Once it's underground, I can do my hover pack up here and it'll just be everywhere. Okay, what do I want? I mean, this can start going down right here. I mean, we'll have to kind of turn it away from that, but that's fine. And thankfully, I already built those foundations. Kind of going up, but I think I had to redo those because it wasn't going to be enough. So we might have to deal with that, too. That was another thing I was going to do off-stream. Okay. Yeah, we're going to have to go deal with that before we do this. Otherwise, we're just going to go down there and going to have to deal with that anyway. So let's just get that ready. I won't have to build out the foundations a whole lot right now. Not like I was doing like that. We just need enough to get the train on there. That's it. So basically, I might pull it back to about right here. Because I gotta delete all that. Reason why. Oh, and plus I didn't even get that right. That's funny. But, yeah, it's just gonna hit that. This one's gonna be steep enough. And I only like using the 2 meter. So, we do need to make it steeper. Not by a whole lot, though, I don't think. Yeah, not by much. You can just tell that it's not gonna go up and over that. So yeah, we just need to get that. But we need to destroy. That's always fun to do. Oops, I'm at the limit. Oh, and one other thing I did off stream. I noticed that we were getting in the cloud, our concrete was coming in very, very slowly. It was only coming in at like 60 per minute when we had upgraded our cloud to 120. So I did just overclock the concrete, so we're getting that kind of full speed. Okay. And there's that. Let me go grab that. I think it's just going to get kind of stuck right there. Let's just remove all that. I can also... I have a lot of quick wire on me. Jeez. I don't want to destroy all of it though, but we can definitely get rid of some of this quick wire. I don't know why I have so much on me. Okay, keep a couple stacks there. Can also get rid of that. All this leaves, wood. Oh, we still have a hard drive that we can do too. I forgot we found that last time. Alright. See, I think we'll start like right here and start going up. Alright, so I think I was using these ones, right? No, I have to use... No, I think these are used right. I think that's the right one. But these actually need to be the ramp, not the... Just put it on default. Yeah, there we go. Or should I move it over slightly? I'm just trying to figure... I think we need to move it over a little bit. Going down probably would have been easier, huh? Oh well. This will be fine. As I know for sure this is going to work now, because we're, well, much further back. Now it's going to go a little bit quicker since I can just copy-paste. This is going to be far enough back, ain't it? How far back did we go? We went quite a ways, didn't we? Oh, maybe I should have started from up here. Should I just keep telling myself it's going to be fine? Or should we have started from up there? Good lord. It's not going to make it. I don't think. At least I'm only doing a little bit. Nope, it's not going to. So should I start from up here and work our way down? I mean, I don't want to start that high up, though. I guess maybe I just don't know how far down it's going to take to get there, though. This is the only thing I hate. Well, this is how high this is, though. So you go over there, and that's where the factory is. So yeah, I think it's gonna have to be this high up. Probably start like right... Start going down. Ish. Get off Zoop. There we go. Whoops, he's a 4 meter. Do not want 4 meter. This is what doing 4 meter probably would have been a good idea, but I just don't like 4 meter. That's not gonna work. Let me get the other ramp in first, then I'll put that down. That should connect under there. There we go. That's better. This one just takes a little longer because it's 4 pieces instead of just 3. Not bad though. Would be cool if they made a piece like this though. Unless they do they? I don't think they do. So I don't think that's what... Would that work? No. Maybe these. No, because that's not a ramp, that's still flat. Yeah, no, that's just on the bottom. Yeah, I don't think they make a piece like this. Okay. We just have to combine them both. Which is fine. So how long is it going to take to get down? Like, how long is this going to be? That is the question. Good, I don't even know if I'll have a road that... This is mainly just for the train and me just easier to get up here, because I don't think we'll be able to really take a road up this. Oh yeah, that way. Now the train will be easier, especially if we take it right down the center, because we can just get rid of a piece like that. And just slap that one piece down right there. That holds the train. Whatever it's called. Yeah, we were pretty far off. Oops, wrong one. There we go. We're getting there. One thing that would be cool to have is like train elevators. And also elevators for vehicles too. That would be nifty. Then I wouldn't have to make a whole thing like this. I think the train will fit under that. And under that, I think. Well, better anyway. I'm not redoing this again. Oops, there we go. Be nice if when you copy it, that it copies the direction that it's going, instead of just random. Like, see, that's not what I want. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna get there. For sure. It's definitely going a little bit into there. More into there than I would have liked, but don't have much of a choice. If we want the train right here. I mean, yeah, there's probably another place I could have taken the train, but... eh. Having this ramp up there would be nice anyway. Oops. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Whoops. That one went good. Sometimes they start nice. Now you can see why I usually do this off stream, because this is probably not very enjoyable. There's not much to talk about. And here I am, placing a foundation. And another foundation. Ooh, and another one. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Hey, we're almost there. Whoops. Last one? Ooh. Why is that? I really don't want to use 1 meter, but we're gonna have to on this just to get up there, ain't we? Well, poo. It is on the grid, it's just... Did I use a 1 meter somewhere? At least I know I put it on the grid up there. That's always a good sign. But I must be using a 1 meter ramp somewhere. Because this should have connected okay. Oh well. I'll deal with it. Oops, I actually need the 1 meter one. There we go. It can just sometimes be hard to connect these up, like going around and connecting. Granted, a lot of it's not going to be connecting up to here, but still. Oh yeah. So there we go. Now we can destroy all this down here. And that again. You know what? I'll destroy that later. I won't do that now. I won't make you watch me do that. But yeah, if we bring the train in right through here and then straight up. Beautiful. So definitely let's get rid of those trees, but I'll just get rid of the ones I need to. So let's go grab the train. That's nifty. I kind of need to see where to start building it to. How So I can turn about right there. You know, that's a lot sharper than I expected. I mean, it was fine right there until I accidentally moved it back. So yeah, we can actually start bringing it down there. Maybe over slightly. Just because of that, I don't know if that'll end up being in the way. We can find out quick. Oh, nope, that's actually further away. Further away from that than I thought. Yeah, we'll just take it down this way, I think. I don't think. No. Should connect nice and neat right there. Okay. I'm gonna make another one down, just, well, 2 more down. Yeah, it'll just come straight down through here. And for that cable, I'll probably disconnect that and connect it through the train pillar. The pillar that's on the holds the train. Then I'll get rid of a pole over there, which will be nice too. Alright. Let's kind of see where this is gonna go. Probably need to start it like right here, otherwise it'll be actually I can just grab this. It'll be too far down and probably clip through, so let me just put this here. Let's grab the pillar support right there. And we need the concrete pillar. Hopefully it's not too high. We can go down another one if we need to. Oh, I think this will be fine. I want to be able to hover though. Let me just grab this temporarily. Whoops. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, then it'll start heading that way. That's not... I thought that was... I plugged that in. Why are you not working? Why don't you have power? What did I do? Like, that had power. Did it not? Like, this had power because I hovered over here. Why did it all of a sudden not have power? That's... interesting. Okay, anyway, that's weird. Anyway, don't know what happened there. But I do need to grab... let's do this for now. We can always change this later. Alright, I think we can do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do have to come down. Copy, there we go. That there. Whoops, that was right. Vertical, boom. Get the cable. And the track. And I don't know if there's a better way to make this so it doesn't like keep being like hilly like this. I don't know. So there's another thing we need. We need these kind of cut to make them more follow like a 2-meter cut. like these are. Yeah. So it's the same down as that. That'd be cool too. See, if they want to add more stuff, that's another idea. So they don't have anything like that that I know of. I mean, I could probably just put a foundation on there, but I really don't want to do that. That just looks funny. This looks funny too. Oh well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Till we get over there anyway. Oh, the other thing I did off stream too is I finally, so I could have deleted them out of here, but oh, maybe I didn't yet. Maybe I thought I put the quick wire in the dimensional depot. Oh yeah, maybe I didn't. Okay, well, never mind. I lied. Oh yeah, I was gonna look for a. I didn't. I was gonna look for another sphere, and I was going to do that, but then I didn't have enough time to go searching for one. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh god, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, this one, we will kind of work with this power here to kind of change it. Which that'll need to stay, though. So, let me grab this, and we'll also put this right here. So it's pegging the power from there, though. Yeah, I have this set up all funky. Do I have... I do have power down here. Is this getting... Yeah, that is getting the power from there. Must be. Okay. I don't want to disconnect it. Since everything's working fine. Maybe I won't mess with this right now. Because this ain't gonna... The train's not gonna go through the cable. That's what I was mainly concerned about. The train's gonna go over top of it, so that's fine. Okay. Let's just go. We're gonna be redoing all the power lines and everything once we unlock daisy chaining anyway, so... Okay. So now we'll go ahead and go... Just delete these just so I can zoop it out 10. Not that way. Like we need to cut down some trees. Can I cut them down from up here? There we go. Might run out of power over here though. Yeah, alright. Let's get the power over here now. Then we'll finish cutting. This is going a little bit smoother than I expected, so... Granted, I never expect anything to go smooth, so... There is that. Let's go ahead and get these cut down. Alright. I just want to get rid of that so that don't confuse me. Okay. Let's get this pulled over. Alright, we need to get another one of these. Actually, would that... Oh, no, that won't. Yeah, it will have to be that one. Okay. It's so weird that we have to use the 1 meter. I have not... Huh. I guess up there we could have... Just where we placed these. We placed them on the grid, but we might have placed them in such a way where we actually need the 1 meter. Oh, well. Not that big of a deal. Alright, so we're actually going to go to... Well, we need to figure that out. To make sure this is a pretty good corner, I think we'll bring it to like right here. I think that'll be good. Maybe this one. I don't know which one will be more straight. Can we bring it to this one? I don't know how long I can make this. I was waiting until it was like straight. Yeah, now it's too long. I'll just bring it to here. See, all I gotta do is delete that and put that in. Grab that. Try to grab that. There we go. I might turn the... Well, I can't though. I guess this is fine. There we go. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I gotta come over here to grab... Oh, grab the power. What am I... Wire's too long. Now is it too long? Ooh, so we're gonna have to go 9 then, ain't we? Instead of 10. We're gonna need to go there. It's going uphill. That is a little bit longer than usual. There we go. So we'll go 9. Oh, okay. Maybe 8. Never mind. I lied. Alright, so uphill you need to do 8, not 10. I'll fix that in a second. So I'm still going to put that there. I want to wrap this kind of around like I did right there. There. That just looks a little bit better. Let's get these filled back in. Grab that again. Ooh, that would be straight as over there. That's interesting. I guess it was a little... Yeah, never mind. Yeah, it is a little... I didn't get that perfectly straight, which is okay. Alright, so let's go 8 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the control's way over there. Make it straight. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a little curvy coming up here, which is odd. Actually, I might know how to make it straight. I've mentioned this before and then I didn't do it, but I think... Like, just start it here. I don't know if you have to make this straight on there. I don't think you have to. As long as it's over here. Maybe you do. Oh yeah, you do. Okay. If you get it straight from this post, like I Like right there, that looks straight. It's not straight though. Yeah, okay, it wants to go over there. Why is this not straight? That's just... That is very odd. That is straight. I just don't want to bring it way over here though. I guess we're just gonna have to deal with a little awkward move because that is straight. I don't know what it wants from me, but this is straight. Oh, I hate trains. Because yeah, this is gonna curve. I'm like using that as a reference. Yeah, I can't get it straight right there. It's just weird. I don't get it. This is because these are... No, that shouldn't matter. I don't know. It's just gonna have to be a curvy train track up here. I can't do anything to change that. Yeah, it wants to go over there. Whoops. I accidentally right-click to cancel. Yeah. There has to be a way to make this straight. This is just... It makes no sense to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did it wrong. We need to make sure this ain't in the way now too. Yeah, it might actually be in the way. But we could take this down. Like we could just not use a pillar for a moment. Yeah, it's going to be in the way. So, I'm going to fall. Oh no, I'm not. Not yet. I probably will. Okay. Just see how that'll look. Just kind of get underneath that. I hate this track. I just... Okay. Oh, it does clip through. And I could bring it over slightly, kind of go around that. Because it is higher up right there. I thought this was going to be easy. Plus it will be down slightly more too, since... Yeah, I would have to come over here. Probably right here. Probably work. Oh, that didn't go down all the way. Oops, down there actually. There we go. That should be better. Yep, that looks better. I don't think the cars are any... I don't know. Okay. Oh, we got that too. Hopefully that'll be fine. If we need to come up over... We'll see. I'm just gonna put it right here. It looks good. We'll see how that goes now. I can already tell you I don't think that's gonna work. Might just have to do that. Oh, thank God that worked. Okay, yep. Just don't have that there. Perfect. Oh, I had me worried there for a minute. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Can I put this on there? Please tell me I can. Oh, it's gonna be weird though. I gotta put it like right there. Because otherwise it, yeah, it floats. Oh well. Okay. Let's continue on. I hate this track. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring that up. Now we need to figure out where it needs to go. Oh, let's put it there because I think it kind of needs to go. Yeah, it needs to go kind of that way. Alright, let's figure out the path now. One second. Okay. Guess I probably don't need to cut a lot of these down, but... Oh, I do have power around here. I have power. Oh yeah, I got power underneath. Oh, and the poles. Alright. Oh, good lord, it's gotta go up there. So I need to connect that down. So we still have to do some downs, but... The nice thing is... We can just go straight down that way instead of as much... Instead of the corners, hopefully, or maybe down that way and over. That might be better. Then we don't have to deal with the... doing the corners again right now. If we just take this down. Yeah, this is where it's gotta go. Hopefully I have this set up right. I think I do. Because it'll fill up the first car. Second car will be filled up with the other one. We'll have to make sure that one's set up too. It's set up correctly. So yeah. Whoops. I ran out of electricity. Let's go see. Yeah, it's just right there, so we can kind of bring it this way. Oh, no, that's going to be sideways. Or take it that way and then up, I think is what we'll do. Let's get over here. Alright, we need to kind of figure out where... Actually, I'm going to bring these over. You just zoop this so it doesn't matter where we go right now. Let's just zoop. Okay, so now we just need ramps to come down. I don't know where it's gonna stop at. Actually be more about here. Don't know yet if I'll have to go up and over that yet. We'll just see how this looks. Let me get the jetpack on so I can get up there. Alright, I'll grab you quick. Okay. Let's zoop a ramp down and see what it looks like. Foundations. There we go. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. It'll go right up and over that. This is, yeah, that's kind of where I want it. It's gonna be a little bit more than I thought it was gonna be, but that is fine. This is gonna be a lot better than going crooked. Beautiful. So we can destroy these. Oh, I didn't have anything on. Wait, I did though. That should have let me float down. Oh well. Alright, so yeah, the train will go up this one right here. We'll bring it over first. We need to kind of figure out where it's going to turn onto, which I'm guessing it'll be like right here. Yeah, I think on this one right here. We'll be fine. This is high enough up, so even if we're over a node, it'll be fine, but don't look like we will be, so that's good. Let's get my hover pack back up. Yeah, it's fine. Nope. There we go. So I think we'll just take it straight this way. And then connect to that. Let's get rid of this. Can I do it from here, please? We'll bring over electricity first. I didn't zoop that, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, I did not. I should have deleted and then zooped. I actually need this on the other side, though. I'm going to actually change that. There we go. Oops, already got those. Need this. Let's get rid of the tree. Yay, now I can do it straight. That says it's straight anyway. It's a little off on there, but that's fine. Alright, let me destroy these and then zoop out 10. So I can be lazy and not have to count. Then I think we'll start turning. So we'll be going right here. Let's see where the turn needs to go to. To be strong. Jeez, that was close. Right here. So on this one right here. Oh, that was stupid. Ooh, that was lucky. Okay. I don't know why it wasn't gliding down. Usually when you hold spacebar with no electricity, it'll glide. It was not gliding. Alright, let's get this over. Yeah, it's not going to be perfect, but it's fine. It's a nice corner, so that's all that matters. Alright, so I have to do... I'm just going to... Since it's another ramp up, I will just do 8 again, but I do need to kind of get this on here again. Okay. I think it went that way, didn't it? Yep, it sure did. Wrong way. Alright. If you go too far up, it'll just flip back behind you, which is kind of funny. Let's see. Okay. I'll get that once I get the... Well, I actually have electricity, kinda, sorta. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it is letting me float down now. It's weird. It's not now, though. Interesting. Maybe it has to have electricity first, and then it'll... Yeah. Let you float. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it right here. Oops, I need that first. So I don't think it's going to work straight up. Oh, that's it. I can do it straight. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost to the top. Okay. We can probably just go like this, maybe? Yeah, that's fine, I think. Hey! The track is done. I just now realized we were done. Oh, that feels good. Okay, let's get these in here. Is this powered up? It looks like it is. I see the cord. Okay, so this will be a load for the train. But we definitely need to get an input in here. We will bring it from underneath, so let's just put that there. And how many are we making? This is the silica. Oh, there it is. So we're making 1,000 per minute, so we actually need 2 inputs. Because we might as well take it all over. Because I don't know if it's the silica or maybe it was the quick wire. One of them will use all 1,000 per minute. I don't have the program up right now, but I could pull it up if we need it. The one that kind of tells me how much I'm making right now that I'm going to need. No. There we go. Alright, let's get this into the train. To the train station. Whoops. Oh, it still worked. Okay. Get all that silica. Cool. Okay. Now it's rolling. We got a lot of machines in there going. Okay. Now we need to head over here and make sure got everything. Or should we just go ahead and set down the train? Yeah. Hold on, I need to sneeze. Okay. Almost think I got my microphone muted in time. It came a little quicker than I thought it would. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and make the train. I'm gonna go ahead and save it right now. Usually the game don't crash until you destroy the train. So, shouldn't have any problems anyway, but I'm gonna save before we put it down. So yeah, we should be fine on the train. I am curious if we can destroy the freight cars, though. If that will be an issue. Alright, we need to make sure it's the right way. That is the right way. Then connect. And connect. So we need 2 of them. Alright. Cool. So... timetable... I really should have renamed these. Scovd, Falloon, and Zebald. Okay. I could name these, though. If I change the name of these, like if I put this as... Can I not... Oh, can you not name it? Oh, I think if you come over here, ain't it? There we go. Silica pickup... If I rename it, does that automatically update here? That's what I just want to make sure. It does. Okay, beautiful. So we'll actually name what these are. What's this do? One load, unload has been fully loaded. Ah, you can make sure it stays here until it gets fully loaded. I did not know you could do all this. This is way too complicated for me. I think I just like, you know, pick up, unload. That's easier for me. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. Then we will go ahead and ride with it to the next area. I don't have the next area currently outputting into the train station, so we'll need to do that. So it won't actually get anything from the next one. But we can make sure I have it set up correctly to load the second car, not the first one. I'm pretty sure I did it correctly. Okay, now it should be taken off. There we go. Yeah, I don't really like these downs. Oh well. Looks like it is the second one. Yeah, I think it is. Yep, it is. Perfect. So yeah, I won't actually pick anything up right now, but Whoa, hello. Yep, so it'll actually load in this one right here. There's nothing in there though. So I don't know if it'll just take off. If there's nothing here. Oh, it's gonna wait until there's stuff in there. I do like that. Okay. So it'll wait for me to get the stuff in there. I think we only need... Oh, nope, it's going now. Never mind. Okay. So this is... I forgot how much quick wire we're making. But I think it is the... I am going to open that up really quick. The modeler, because I have it right there. Of how much we're making. Okay, yeah, it's all right here. Quick wire, yeah, we're making 1,000. And we're making 1,000 of those too. So yeah, we are making 1,000 of all that stuff. Let me get back on there and then... Bloop. Okay. So let me get the sign back up. That's one thing I forgot to do after I had to recreate this whole factory. Cause whoops. 1,000 per minute of quick wire, I think. Pull this down here as well. Oh, excuse me. And I'm also gonna put this on here. Alright, let's get this outputted. Okay, we need to get the holes over here too. So, this one. Whoops. There we go. Hopefully we'll get it connected before he comes back. I don't know how long he takes. There, and over here. There we go. The quick wire is going. Beautiful. Okay. I don't know if I should wait for the train. Where is the train? Oh, he's just arriving back there, so perfect. Well, I'm going to wait for him, then we can ride it back and kind of see how this track feels. Make sure everything's good and ready. I don't know if we have it set to unload over there. We can also get that set. We got plenty of time for it to get stuff over there. Because we still need to make the circuit board factory before we even need to bring over the quick wire and silica over there. So we still need to make plastic too. So, and with the plastic, we're going to go ahead and do the turbo fuel. I think so we have the silica. Yeah, silica's right there. We're going to make that. So, because we need the compact coal. So we'll get that making. And the excess compact coal we'll put into there. Originally, I don't think I was going to actually do this, but I think because I was just going to sink it, but we need more power, so we might as well do it. I'm going to leave this unhooked though, so I can see just how many it makes. I will make excess, more than we actually need for now, so I have it. All right, let's get back in him, and he should be getting that one now. I am curious, did he empty this? Oh, you can't check it when he's doing that. Never mind. I'll just check when we get there, if it's set to unload or not. Alright. He's got the quick wire. And all the quick wire in there is running. Some yellow ones in there, but hopefully that's okay. Might just not be emptying out quick enough yet. I don't know, we can always check on it later. But it's... Oh, the storage container in there's full, I think, ain't it? Oh no, they are moving. Never mind. They're going. Okay, anyway. Let's watch the train. And that's the old train path that we had before I screwed up and didn't have it on the grid. Because, oops. So I will destroy that, but I'll do that off stream. I kind of like how we did this train path now over that one anyway, so in a way I'm kind of glad that it broke. So instead of just going around everything, we'll actually go through here now. Oh, I might need to cut down that tree too. Oh well. And we made it! What is this set at? Unload! Did I do it fast enough? Is it gonna unload? It is beautiful. And this is gonna be silica and I'll use the and. And what else was it? Quick wire. Chop off. Beautiful. Okay. Wow, it's bringing in 4 items per minute. That is awesome. And 10 per minute. Beautiful. I think that's slightly wrong. I hope that's wrong. Yeah, hopefully he brings stuff in quicker. If not, I can always make another train and have one doing the silica and the other doing that and just focusing on that instead of making 3 stops. They'll just be making 2. But for now, this is probably fine. Ooh, I don't like... Oh, it does rotate. Never mind. That's not rotate. It scrolls. Okay. Time is, it's only 1:30. Perfect. I think I'll last long unless I start feeling worse, because I don't feel too great, but I'm feeling better than I did at the start of the stream, so alright, let's go. Okay. We're gonna go over and start the... Well, we got all these done. So the only thing we need to do... So I can go ahead and connect that in now. So we're making 300 per minute. We only need 200, so we will have 100 per minute available. We'd still have some over here, right there. But there wasn't 100 per minute available, I don't believe. So... But there wasn't the 200 that I needed. Alright, so we need to make plastic. We'll be making 400 per minute. I think that's... Yeah, we'll be making exactly what we need for here. So we're making 100 per minute there. And we will connect these up because it only needs 33. I'm not connecting these yet so I can actually see how many I want to make. How many buildings I need. Okay. So we can go ahead and get all this added, I think. So it looks like we're going to need 2 miners and an oil thing. Oops, I keep hitting escape to get out of that. Can't do that. Alright. So 2 miner MK2s, an oil extractor. And we're also going to need 20... What are those found? Refineries. So we need 20 of those. We need 24 assemblers. Whoops. 24 of those. So we'll make sure we have enough stuff when we get over there. We're gonna need 6 because I prefer to overclock. I prefer to have an even number of machines. So we'll do we find... Oh, you can hover over to see what they're called. Turbo... Okay. I always was looking at the picture like, I think that's a refinery. But if you hover over, you can actually see it. That's cool. So we actually need 26 refineries. Okay. And then we need... I'm going to do 22 of the turbo fuel generators. Or fuel power generator? Yeah. I think that's what I can use. Now the hover is not working. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it is a turbo fuel. Oh, it says fuel power generator. Never mind. How many did I need? 22. And we'll just underclock one of them. Oh, yeah. So we need all this stuff. Some of them we don't have to pick up, like the copper sheets we don't need to get. That's in the cloud. When it's purple like that, that means it's in the cloud. So as I take from it, it will replenish at 120 parts per minute. That should be plenty to get us through. So what we need to get is quick wire, which we do have some here. Actually, we have some right there. Let me just grab that. I'm not going to be able to. You can't access the train while he's there. You can't access the stuff that's in there. We'll just grab it over here. So we need to go over here for rubber, and then we can kind of go around. It's also going to need motors, which are over here as well. Yeah, motors are right there. And we're not going to get all this built today. I just kind of want to get the parts and... Oh, before we do, let me turn in this hard drive that I have. And I want to check this too. Got 50 coupons in there. Nice. Alright, hard drive really quick. Scan. Alright, let's go. So grab the motors. We need 605 motors. Jeez. What we should have, because we're not actually using them anymore. Okay. If I put that away, do I still need... Oh, yeah, I will need more. There we go. Okay. Then rubbers are over here. Oh, it's right here. Perfect. Encased industrial beams. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna have room. Can delete those, I think. Alright. So encased industrial beams... I don't remember, I don't think I have another place making it. I think this is the only one I have at the moment. I used to have it going into the cloud, but since I didn't need encased industrial beams for conveyor belts anymore, I got rid of the cloud for them. I should put them back. So here's encased industrial beams. Because yeah, I could make like an output there and get a cloud right there. Let me put that one back. Let's get full stacks. Okay. And then I think that's it. Whoops. I think that's all we need. Oh, portable miners. Glad I scrolled up. Portable miners is another thing we should probably get automated. And we don't need a lot. If it's making like 5 per minute, it'd probably be fine. And just put them in the cloud. I need to find some more spheres for that. What was this for? Oh, that was what... I don't need that anymore. Okay. Because you can't actually make the compacted coal by hand. I needed it for a MAM research thing. Alright. Portable miners. Whoops, wrong thing. This one. Need 4 of these. And then we are good to go, I think. Actually, I can get rid of the reinforced iron plates that I have here because they're in the cloud. I think that is it. So I think we need to start with the compacted coal, don't we? Because we kind of need that. Oh, it don't matter which one we start with. But the compacted coal, I think we'll start with first. We're going to figure out how to kind of get over there and make a road system, because we will have to be delivering product. But to deliver the compacted coal, maybe? Oops, wrong thing. There we go. Or I could deliver the sulfur. Because this is the oil. This is what we're going to need it by. We need it by the oil. Because it'll be connecting up here for the generators. So yeah, if I can deliver it here, that would be great. So, let me make a marker here. I'm just going to name this turbo fuel. It's just there. So I know where I'm going. So I was going the wrong way. It's this way. I'll probably have to build out some foundations out that way. Not probably. We will. Let's head over there first. Kind of get a lay of the land. I don't plan on taking the foundations up and over these. These big rock formations, they can stay above the foundations. I think having some stuff like that's kind of cool to have around. Yeah, we just bring the foundation straight this way. And right... Oh, it's going to be down. Nice. So we'll have plenty of room down here. The foundations will be well above. Yep, this is what it's going to be right over there. Perfect. Alright, and we can just follow that, because apparently we have already brought power over here. I did that to unlock some hard drives before. Oh, can I make it up here? Well, I could have used my hover pack, because we have electricity right here, but... Oh well. Alright, where am I? I am turned around. It's this way. I really turned around there. I could go get the bombs quick, too, and get rid of all that. So I have all the bombs in my, storage. Okay. So how do I want to bring these over and where? Let's figure that out in a second. Let me go get the bombs really quick. Yeah, I think we'll take it from here. Drag it that way. I might go through there, though, the way I went originally. Through the pink trees. Purple trees, whatever you want to call them. Let's go get the bombs really quick, though. Because there was some other things out there that emit gas that I'd like to destroy. Okay, we should have the bombs in here. Yes, we do. We got 45 of them. I think we're fine. Can also destroy some of this stuff, like this compacted coal can destroy. We're going to be automating it, so that's fine. I'm going to put those away. I'm going to put these in here. In the alien technology box. Can put the slugs away. I'll keep... Actually, I'll grab some more power shards. We're going to need those, I'm sure. We need modular frames. I'll just keep what I have. I don't think we need heavy modular frames, though, do we? I don't see it. Unless I'm blind, I don't see it, so I'm going to destroy those. Give us some more room here. I don't think I need rotors or rotors or whatever that's called. Oh, I do need rotors. So I'll keep those. Stators? Do I need stators? No, I can destroy that too. Alright, it'll give us a little bit more room for... Oh, and the cables I can destroy. Those are in the cloud. For chopping down trees, just to make sure I have a little bit of room in here. And here I can place those and those. And I think I'm ready to go. Okay. Oh, and the silica's in the cloud too, I'm pretty sure. Yes. Oh, maybe that's what I put in the cloud. That's what I did, maybe. Off stream. Maybe? No, they were always in the cloud. Never mind. Because I need a lot of silica for these. So, yeah. Okay. Anywho. Let's start figuring out how to get over there. I think just straight that way and then kind of over. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Yeah, right through there. I think that'll be good. For now, I'll just make one line. Obviously, we're going to need more than that if we need a road through here, but this is a start. Not going to worry about the trees right now. I don't think I'll have to lift this up at all. I mean, it might... That might... Yeah, that clips a little bit. We're not going to go over there right now, though. Alright, let me get rid of this tree. So that's a little much. Can I reach it from up here? I cannot. Okay. This one needs to go away too. Okay. Alright, so we need to kind of go over there. What is that over there? That's a radar. Other machines. Oh, it looks like there's other machines over there, but there's not. It's just the radar? My blind looks like there's more machines over there. Whoops. Oh well. I guess I didn't really need the bombs. I don't think we need to destroy those. So that's what I was going to destroy, was those. They're fine for the moment. We can start kind of going that way once we... Oh! Yeah. We're gonna have plenty of space up here to build, which is great. Okay. But yeah, we do need to get a truck to haul the sulfur over. I'm not going to use a train. We could use a big truck, though, because we're going to need all 600 per minute. So we might use a truck, not a tractor. Gotta see where that's at. Could probably just start kind of building over there. Let me put sulfur, whatever. Let me just select this as ore. Okay, sulfur. Ooh, that's gonna be... We can kind of go up and over that one, though, maybe. Let's go over there and see what it looks like, though. Why? Oh, I'm walking for some reason. I don't know if I should go up and over that, or... Maybe. I'll get that quick. Trying to see where the sulfur is. It looks like it's on the other side of that. It's way over there. I might go up and over this, because this is quite a bit of land that we could be using. So I can make a little hill. Or ramp. We'll just go around it. No, I'll do the ramp, because we might need it later. Anyway. Alright, back 2, I think. There we go. That's good. We get rid of this tree. Perfect. Creature is in the way. No, he's not. Okay. I don't know if we'll end up going back down, or we could just stay up here. It really doesn't matter. That I'm not going to build over, because that's just a small little area. That's just this. So I'm not going to build over that. But we will stay up. Could destroy a couple of these from up here. That will just... Can I destroy those? I don't think you can. I don't know, I just want to put on more, just to... Extra boom. I don't think you can destroy these, though. Oh! You can destroy those. Okay. That is good to know. That is really good to know. I didn't know you could destroy those. Can you just destroy them with one bomb? Probably not. I don't know. Whoops, wrong thing. There we go. You can! Cool. Well, that's awesome. Learn something new every day. But yeah, we'll stay up this high, though. For over here as well. There's the sulfur. I can see it. So let's kind of build it out here. Maybe a little high up, but that's fine. Always been hesitant about building this high, but it'll be fine. So all this is pretty low, but I mean, then it goes straight back up over there, though. I don't know, and I'm wondering maybe we should build a little lower. Because I'm like, I don't mind it being high. Well, maybe for this part, maybe we could go a little lower. Especially if we have pipe systems and stuff, so I don't have to pump all the way up. I think we're going to go lower. Slightly lower. It's funny how quickly I can change my mind. At least I'm open-minded. I'm willing to kind of change things. I suppose. I don't know. Oh, I just can never make up my mind. Let's just go... we can go over a little... Well, that though. Yeah, we'll go right here. Then this can still go straight across. Let's go 20 down, I think. I think this is low enough. Because those I definitely know you can't destroy. Oh, hey, there's a foundation up there. That's where I was. Alright. Do I have a foundation on my hotbar? I do not. So I figured on the hotbar I probably didn't really need them because they're all over the place and I can just copy them. Let me destroy that one though. Alright, now I'm happy. Quite a bit lower, but it is still high, so... I assume I can destroy this thingy. Just because I can. One little bomb just destroys that huge thing. That's great. So yeah, the truck can just go along there, I suppose. So yeah, just kind of straight over and... Yeah, okay. There it is. Don't need it that over that far at the moment. Just kind of put it where we need it. Alright, I do want to go ahead and push down the miner. It doesn't matter what way it's facing. Alright, so I want to go at least 4 wide. So I want the road in the center of the 4 here. Let's make this 4 wide and... Okay. We do need to bring over power as well. I don't think I have a power pole down here. Oh, I think it's those trees. When I was looking at the radar over here, I think it's those trees that just from a distance look like machinery. I think that's what had me so confused, because that's what I was seeing. So it looked like it was a lot of machines next to that radar. Okay, we do need to get down there, but I want to bring over power too, then I can hover and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get these made. It's like I don't know what sides to do the 4 on. This looks good. Definitely still needs to upgrade the cloud, because... yeah. The upload speed, mainly. Bringing the stack size up, too, would be good as well, but... when it comes to concrete, I use so much of it in a very short amount of time. That having it upload quicker would just kind of be better. There is some coal there, too. But no, I think just making it over here with everything will be better. I think. It's a good thing I chose this way, because yeah, there's a thing in the way. So I was going to do the 4 going that way, but... that's why I wasn't sure which way to do the 4. And that is why... oh, you're a rock. Never mind. I was like, why didn't that destroy? That would be why. I can chop these down, can't I? Yep. Oh, that's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in those. I never knew that. I've never cut those down before. That's cool. It's good to know, though, that that has, like, silica and mycelia and there's a lot of other stuff in there. Okay. Let me cut this one down. Can I chop it from here? Yep. Whoa! I missed that. Bye. Yep, I've definitely never cut those down before. There it goes. That's funny. Oh! Cool. Okay, anyway. Need to destroy this. Does these destroy foundations too? I'm guessing no. You need to go down there to get that. Oh, he didn't fly away. I thought he was going to fly away. That's the only reason I cut it. That was not a fly away one. That's going to need cut. And these two. It'd be nice to get that turbo fuel up. Because we need more fuel. More power, I mean. I'm not going to fuel our trucks with it yet, but... so the trucks right now are doing just fine. I could, oops. I could fuel the truck we'll be using for this, though, maybe. But at the same time, I also want to use it all for the generators, too. Oops, maybe I'll just go this way. I don't know why I did that. Could have just zooped 10 down. I don't think that went all 10, though. It did not. Oh, it actually a little bit less than 10. That was still quicker. Now that needs destroyed. Oh, that's far down. No, it's not. Kinda. Just get right there, and then we can probably just get up there. Beautiful. Please be 10. That is more than 10. And I'm missing concrete. Okay. So while that fills back up, let's start bringing power over. We can bring it along the bottom. Then we can use our hover pack. Also destroy these, destroy that. Get our hover pack on. Let's go grab some power. I think I'll just grab that one. And we'll just start dragging it along here. And hopefully we'll be able to get down far enough without losing power. Yeah. It's far enough to chop down trees or whatever we might need to do. Oh, it's a good thing I took that up a little bit more. So I can still get under here. Maybe didn't there, though. I didn't there. Let's bring it over here. That's fine, though. Whew! Thought I was falling. If you double tap C, it just falls. I think that's what I accidentally did. Because you also hit C to go down. We'll go over here and we'll overclock that. Actually, let me bring us keep it over here. Then we'll take it over there. Alright, let's see if we can get down there. Perfect. Just take it all the way up. 600 per minute. We got some SAM here, too. Okay. Now for a truck. I don't know, do we need a truck station? Well, do we need a truck or a tractor? Would a truck be enough? I mean, this ain't that far. But it does need 600 per minute, so I think we will do a bigger truck. We do have enough supplies for it. Okay, it's right there, so... we do need this out a little bit more. Then we'll need to have a U-turn as well. Actually, trying to think of how to do this. So I think the road will be... don't I have the road on the hotbar? Apparently not. I thought I did. Oh well, let me just grab it here. So the road can be... where's this at? Right there. Actually, let me grab that one. So the road's going to be right there. I mean, do I want him to... I don't really want him to do a U-turn. I mean, I can have like a temporary roundabout here, at least until I... build this out more out in this area. It's actually there. Just for him to kind of go around and then back onto the road. Because it'll be a truck, so I don't want him doing a U-turn. The truck station, I think will fit right there. Actually, the truck station will be over here. That's just going to be the turnaround spot. So let's put the truck station. For some reason I thought you had to use a different station for the truck, but nope, it is just this one, so that is perfect. So let's put it right there, it's fine. Let's go ahead and just start the path, just so that is not a path. That is a path. So let me just get it straightened out here. There we go. See if this will be fine. Whoops, what did I do? What did I do? Oh my god. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. Nope. Dang it. No, that was off. Thought I canceled it. There we go. Dang it, I did it again. I think with the hover pack, since it takes a little bit to slow down, to stop, it can like slightly move before I'm done. There we go. Don't need one going... Yeah, we don't need one on that side. Unless we have one turning there, but right now, no. So, this will be the path. So weird. Anyway. That is going that way. Perfect. So this is going to be the sulfur pickup. It's not going to have any available. Whoops. Not available. 0. Wow. Oh, I usually put... It looked weird. I was like... Because I usually put that. 0 permanents available. That way I know... When I look at the list... I know I can't pick up from here, aside from when I start picking up from here, but... Alright, let's get... I'm gonna just pull him straight up. There we go. Now you can't even see the wire. Get that hooked up. Perfect. Okay, let's get this... Might as well get this in there now. Oh, you need power, don't you? I suppose I can give you power. If I must. Can I destroy that thing too? Cool. Okay. That makes me happy. So just bring this up. We don't need the floor hole. We can just go up just like that. Is perfectly fine. Then we just need a thingy. Just gonna put a little wags. I don't know if that's even. It might have been. Alright. Then come down here. And slap that in there. Cool. So we got the sulfur. That is filling up. It should be at 600 a minute. This will be to load the truck. Now we need to go over here and to the unload. Just back the way we came from. So let me finish this out really quick. I do just want to kind of... I mean, the truck ain't going to fall off the edge, but you just never know what could happen. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to finish this road right now. Well, I guess I need to, don't I? Alright, so let's get the road asphalt. And we'll make the path, because yeah, we need that stuff delivered. So let's get it delivered. Yeah, I think a truck's gonna be good for this. For sure. Oh yeah, and we need to finish this road too. Where are we at? We are actually bypassing where we need to go. It's right here. Well, the coal should be. There it is. Okay. I mean, this is where it's going to be going. I mean, once we get enough to go that way, but for now, this is fine. I'll do kind of another roundabout, another turn away. So, yeah. Where was it? Over here? Yeah, it's right there. But there is that ramp, so I'll bring it over here. So let's get another truck station. Actually, let's put it back a little bit. Should have did this with the sulfur, which I still could. Not that it matters too much, but I am going to try to get into a better habit of having the trucks pull in to grab supplies. Actually, coming here is probably fine. That kind of centered there. And maybe from here, maybe doing a U-turn would be fine. I guess as long as I do this, I'm okay with the U-turn. I just don't like the U-turn on here and turning around. I don't even know if that would have worked anyway. Now that I think about it. Might have been too big of a turn. Probably gonna need more. I think this is okay. I'll get it powered up in a second. Let me get the path. So I need to make a straight. This is going to be a truck. I don't know how big of a spot it needs, but that's probably fine. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do... Ooh, maybe. It is a little sharp, but I could do... Yeah, that's why I don't usually like doing a U-turn. It'd be okay. Unless I put the truck station in further. I guess it's okay. And then I can take this and make it straight. There you go. Ah, I accidentally left-clicked. Can I make this more straight on there, or is it just not gonna want me to do straight? Whatever, let's just do that. I'll say I'm gonna pull this out a little bit more. Now it's straight. Then I can connect this and it can keep not going straight apparently. Oh, it's because it was pulling from there. Let me put that up there a little bit more. Now I can probably pull from there straight. There we go. So yeah, that will be a straight eventually. And this one, of course, will be going back. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's okay. I can deal with that, I suppose. Okay, let me get the power up there. I'm actually going to pull this. Where is the up? There it is. Kind of right here. See what that comes up at up here. Oh, right there. Perfect. And that'll power that. Beautiful. And this will be an unload. This is sulfur drop off for... What's it called? Compacted coal or something? Compacted coal, yep. Okay. Because, yeah, I did have sulfur down here, but we do have... All the coal is being made, being used over here. Plus, we'll be making the high-speed connectors somewhere in this area. Just notice there's no nodes right here. So I think the radar is... Yeah, there's no nodes there, and then I do have another radar here. Yeah, there's no nodes in that area. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I think we could probably make it like here, because we do have a factory over here for the copper sheets, so we could make the high-speed connectors over here eventually. Yeah, because we can bring the plastic over here to the copper sheet that can make the stuff. So yeah, that'll kind of be our big factory right there for the high-speed connectors. Okay. Anyway. Let's... this out, because this is going to be where it makes the compacted coal. Where's the oil at? It looks like the oil's over there further, so... well, there's an oil. Is that the oil? Yep, that is the oil. Okay. I don't know if that was a different one. So yeah, we'll definitely start building the factory right here for the compacted coal. And we can probably make the fuel generators kind of out that way, maybe. We'll figure that out. For now, we do need to get this done. We need to get these roads finished really quick. So the truck has a way to get there. Oops, I think that went over. There we go. I'll do straight. Connect that up. I think all this should be connected. Yep. Should I change this to go in and do a U-turn like I did back there? I think I'm going to. If that's kind of what I'm doing, I don't need these roundabouts then. Let me get rid of this. I'll need to move that way though. Well, I've already filled that up, but I can move it quick. Might as well get in the habit of doing what I want to do with these, so I'm going to destroy all those. Bye-bye. Okay. So let's move this back. That is going to destroy the path, but that's okay. Could also just... that really quick there. Okay. Grab this. Get the truck station. Other way. I think that's kind of in the center of that. Yep, looks like it. Power it back up. I think that's enough. Turns too sharply. We need to get this. Well, this is just going to go into the Never Never Land. It's actually this one that's needs to kind of flip around. Can destroy that and have that connect back up to this. There we go. That's not really going to go anywhere just yet, because there's nowhere for it to go just yet. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so this is... gotta add this again. Sulfur pickup. Am I spelling sulfur right? I think so. I don't know. 0 per min available. So there's not going to be any available. Go on load. Oh, we need fuel over here too. Shoot, I forgot about fuel. Fuel might be easier to drop off at the other station. I could have a truck delivering fuel out here. Might do that. Probably will do that. Okay, let's get this connected back up after we get the hole in again. Whoops. There we go. Perfect. Okay, that's going again. Now we can destroy this. Just get regular foundations back on there. No more roundabouts. Or squareabouts. So this is fine. Okay. So yeah, we need fuel now. Should I put a fuel station and... I'm trying to think of how to do it. I mean, yeah, I can have a tractor delivering it. I could have drones delivering it. Would that be silly? That'd be a little overkill, wouldn't it? Plus, we don't have batteries currently. Do I even have drones unlocked anyway? We don't have batteries, so no, we don't. That's one of the milestones we need to do, but we need batteries first. So yeah, what I'm thinking is just have it delivered. By a tractor. I mean, it'll be slow, but that'll be fine. Alright, let's get off of this. There we go. So we can set up a fuel drop-off right next to... Well, I do want to... I don't know if I want a separate fuel station or if just dropping it off and fill in, just putting it into here. I guess we'll do another... Like if they could fuel up here. But if we have more trucks coming along here eventually, we might want a dedicated fuel station. Which I can kind of put on the side of the road up here or something. Oh, we need to finish. Oh, excuse me. Oh, we need to finish out this though. That is for sure. Finish out the road. Connect it back to the main factory. Whoops. What I could actually do, I don't need to go all the way over to where the fuel's coming in. We have fuel being delivered via conveyor belt not far from this location, I don't think. So we could have it just going from there into a truck station. Gradually kind of fill it up. Whoops. Need to get rid of all this stuff. I think there's a truck station or fuel station just right over there somewhere. It's not far away, so that's perfect. Did I just put 2 there? Yes, I did. Okay, now we just need to connect this to the road. Perfect. Then trucks, yeah, fuel is that red station right there. So, what we can do is put a truck station here and just drag some of that fuel, not from the truck station, from the conveyor belt that's going into it. I can drag and put the fuel. I mean, it'll take a lot of the fuel, but We have a whole storage container full of it, and truck stations don't take as much. Don't hold as much as one of these, so it should be fine. I don't think any of the tractors will run out of fuel, and plus over time it'll all get all filled back up again anyway. Because we still have a lot of fuel sinking, because we were making more than we need, so. Okay. Yeah, and I'll probably have the truck do a U-turn again. Well, maybe, I guess I don't need to. Yeah, he will. Yeah, I need to get back in the habit of putting the truck stations further in. Keep thinking, do I need to? Yes, I do. This is what I need to do. I'm gonna put it over one more block. Oh yeah, just a little bit away from the road there. And then I think I do 2, 2, and then 2, right? I think that's how I did it. So 6 in total. No, why is this? There we go. I think it's going the wrong way. Yeah, it is. There we go. I think. There we go. Gotta sneeze again. Okay. So you pull this off to here. And these I will just connect these up. Yeah. Well, these I would like to just go straight. I don't know if I can just take from this path to there. This, I don't think I did a straight. Actually just connect to this one. And that's not currently connected to one. Let me delete that and then... I don't think it's taking from this one, though. What exists? It just looks like there's a cutoff right there. Okay, it should connect, I think. Like, this should be able to. Whoops. And then get this. Let me get this more, a little bit more straight. Out a little bit further. This one straight. No, what are you doing? Okay, so we'll have to go right there. Winch is fine. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this and get this all connected up. Don't I have... I don't know if I have... Nope, I don't have electricity underneath this floor. That's okay. Now we do. Well, I don't know how far down we have it, or if this is where I had started. Oh, we're good. Cool. Is this going the right way? Just want to make sure. Yes, okay, cool. So yeah, they don't have a fuel station over here. I don't think I... There we go. Hey, what's up? Yeah, um... I forgot to put one of our factories we had built was completely off the grid. I didn't add it onto the proper grid, so nothing connected. I had to redo everything off stream. I had to redo the whole factory we built with the quick wire on Saturday. So I had to put everything on the grid. That was fun. We're good now though. The train's built. The train is moving now. So yeah. I always talk about the importance of building on the grid, and then I completely forgot to do that last week. I was hoping I could get around with not having to redo everything, but no, I had to. Thankfully, it was only the quick wire factory, so I mean, it wasn't like it was a huge area. But I had to redo the train track, too. But it's fixed now, so... It feels like it's crooked. I don't know. It's fine. There we go. I think that's all connected. Perfect. Let's make sure we got all these up. Yeah, it's really easy to forget stuff in this game. There's just so much. So I wasn't too hard on myself for forgetting, for doing it wrong. As it's gonna happen. Just sucks. Let's see. Oops. Okay. So we got that one in. We got the U-turn. Disconnected, get the fuel over here, then we can start hauling the sulfur over so we can start making... I put that on straight, when straight is not straight. Get the compacted coal made. Get plastic, turbo fuel. And start working towards the high-speed connector finally. I think we started the process of the high-speed connectors, what, on like Thursday? We had to make the train and everything, though. This is a long path, but I think a tractor will be fine to deliver the fuel. But I'll definitely do a truck for the sulfur, just to make sure we get the full 600 per minute delivered. I need to also get underneath here and put some more power under the road so I can hover. Alright, let's go there. That can go there, and then... Can I do like a... Oh, that's not gonna work. Can't do a U-turn in. Oh, he doesn't need to do a U-turn in. Well, no, he doesn't. No, that's fine. Am I sure that's connected? It just does not look like it's connected. It must be, though. I just see that little... I think it's all fine. I don't think this one's connected to it, though. Now I think it is. Okay, yeah. I think it's fine. Hopefully this one's connected. It should... Well, maybe not. If it is connected, it won't let me do this. It's letting me do it. It wasn't connected. Okay. That looks so off, but... Okay. I think we're good now. I need to get power. Down there. Where do I have a power? There's some down here we can grab really quick. Let's have over here for our hover pack. Ah, yeah. That sucks though. What happened to your power plant? Just gonna figure it out, or... I think you had told me. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Yep, you did tell me. Yeah, with the heavy oil residue, what I usually do, I just have it making, because I think that can make... What does that make into? Oh yeah, the petroleum coke. I just make the excess into petroleum coke and sink it. Yeah, well if you do, sinking's an option just to make something, even if you don't need it yet, and just sink it. I think I have a ton of petroleum coke just sinking. Alright, so I got the fuel there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a splitter off of this. And we're gonna put all this fuel into that truck station, have fuel deliver over there. We should be fine on fuel to do that. Yeah, space would be kind of needed. That could be a pain. I should take this around here. Is the fuel coming? Oh, I also want to make this the red. I don't have that color saved. Color was it this one? No, I wasn't using the red and black. I was using the red and orange. This one, I think? Yeah. I didn't even color these. These are supposed to be colored red, so I knew that what this conveyor belt was. So I knew from a glance what it is. Oh, it looks like it's done. Okay. I can just copy this. And it should automatically be red. Whoops, I didn't color that one though. Make sure it's red. Yep, it is. Cool. Kind of make this out a little bit. Well, we're going to be making turbo fuel. I'm not going to upgrade any of this to turbo fuel yet. I'm perfectly fine just using regular fuel. So yeah, this is actually going to go into that slot. Oh, I guess in this one too. Might as well have it fuel up right here. If the fuel's coming in here anyway, I might as well. That is not powered up. Let me grab you, put it there, and pull this straight up here. Perfect. Okay. So this is... Oh, I didn't connect this. It's like, why ain't it giving me fuel? Gotta connect it first. Let's get the splitter. Just put it right there. Alright. Oh, and then I forgot to color it red. Red, 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 red. And I could also use this as a fuel station too, if I ever need trucks going that way. Fuel station. And pickup. Don't know how much is available per minute, but... Oh, gotcha. Yeah, under here does get a little bad, but I try to make it nicer up here when it's visible, though. Okay. So now we need a truck station over there to drop off the fuel. Let me go a little bit faster here. So yeah, it's not delivering it too far away, just right over here. Probably could have just did a conveyor belt over here, huh? Honestly, should I just do a conveyor belt to over here? I mean, that is kind of far, though. That's... yeah, I'm just gonna do a truck delivery. Alright. Oh, yeah, I just found that out like an hour ago, too. I threw a bomb hoping I could destroy it because they were in my way. Yep. Yeah, sure can. So he's gonna need fuel. I don't think I want to put it over here. I might just put it up here. Put the fuel station up here. Yeah, fuel station's gonna go right here, I think. Alright. Hopefully more trucks will end up using it eventually, but... 6... Okay, let me get this out a little bit more. Truck station. Might move it over right there. That's probably a better place for it. I can hover, can't I? Yes, okay. Okay, this one can go there. And it can also do a UE. That's actually gonna work. I thought that'd be too sharp. Okay, I'm not gonna complain. Just kind of surprised. Too sharp. Is that too sharp? Why is that too sharp? There we go. Let's put it on default, I guess. Okay, then he can go straight if they ever need to, or they can turn around. This needs to be colored. So I know it's a fuel station. Okay. Actually, he's gonna... Oh, I guess I can... Well... I need him to drop off the fuel, and then from the truck station, I need to have it here, huh? So he needs to drop off the fuel, too. So I just realized that. Otherwise, if I have this on load or unload, it's either going to unload the truck or load the fuel onto the truck when I only want the fuel. That kind of sucks. Okay. So yeah. This needs to stay empty if this is only fuel. So he can actually bring the fuel down here. I'll just bring it down here. Across the street from that one. That will be fine. That's... Now the truck station. Sure. I'm just gonna say fuel drop off. Be an unload. And I'll take it from here up to there. Okay, so complicated. Is that straight across? I didn't even think of that. You know what, it's fine. Doesn't need to be perfect right here. Let's get this on. You can go this way if you need to. And a turnaround. Maybe... Guess I can do like a slightly off and then get back onto the path. There we go. Too sharp. Okay. This is such a mess. Oh, I didn't plug that one in. Let's go do that quick. Where's he at? Right there. So I'm going to put this... Whoops. Hit the wrong button. Right there. Looks good. And bring this up. Cool. So there's the fuel station, which needs this to drop. It needs to come over here. Drop the conveyor belt underneath and bring it up there. Let me finish bringing this out. Okay. Oh, it does need another line. I need space for that conveyor belt hole. I don't need to make this red because it's not going to be a fuel drop-off place. Or a fueling place, I mean. It's going to be a fuel drop-off. Take this that way. Perfect. Oh, let me go ahead and color that red because that is going to be... fuel. Okay. Let's unload, fuel drop off. He won't need to get fuel there because I do have it filling up there, so he'll just come get it here and then go back. Ooh. Let me get my jetpack back on. Get there quicker. If I get the 2 truck stations online, then I probably should get off. Not lasted the whole time though. I haven't been feeling too well, but feeling a little bit better now. Alright. So yeah, that's still getting filled up, but should be fine. I don't think we're running out of fuel, so. And of course it's going to be taken from here, so it's going to have this fill up and then that one, so. Hopefully we'll be fine. I'm going to put a tractor down. I'm actually going to put him like right here. You need some fuel, so there you go. Alright. God, this is such a mess. Pick up. And then fuel drop off. That's all you gotta do. Why is he gonna go? Oh, because I couldn't get a one to go around. Can I get that though? Let me see. I can maybe get one so it goes. So you can just do a UE into there. I don't think I really can though. So I feel like I'm gonna have to come like over here slightly. Or what? I don't know what it's doing. I'm just wanted to move it slightly. There we go. And then maybe connect it. What is it do? I don't know what it's doing. Okay, I think this needs to be moved over maybe a little bit more. Out like that. Then put it on straight and maybe I can get around. Hey, there we go. Okay. Now he can do a U-turn into there. I usually don't like U-turns, but I think that one, with those being pushed away from the road, kinda helps. There we go. Now he's just gonna go back and forth. That's perfectly fine. Is this set to load? It is. Beautiful. Alright, there we go. Now let's head over here. Oh, let me grab some more fuel really quick. Okay. Let's get the truck for the... Well, we're using a truck, not a tractor. Can we have enough to make it? We do. Perfect. Make a truck. Nice. That's always fine. Leave it for future you to deal with. This was the sulfur drop-off, right? Yep, for compacted coal, and this is unload. I just want to make sure I have everything set up, but I want to put the truck over here. And then he'll come here for the truck station, which should be powered up. It's apparently not. Are you not getting... Oh, this ain't getting fuel yet because, yeah, he hasn't dropped off the fuel yet. That's a good reason. Alright, we go way over here to the sulfur. Okay, and that is set to load. We will make a big truck. Make sure we get the full 600 per minute, hopefully. Alright, that works. Store path. Sulfur. Pick up and drop off. And then we also need you to stop at the fuel station, which is going to be that one. And you'll do that after you drop it off. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Enable autopilot. You do need fuel, though. There you go. Alright, hopefully he delivers quickly. Quick enough. But he should. I think he has quite a bit more space than a normal tractor. I really didn't want to do a train, just that... I mean, it's not too far. It's far, but not far enough that I think we need to worry about a train. I think he's fine. Okay. So it's going to be down here. Yeah, this is where the... Yep, there's the coal. So this is where the compacted coal plant's going to be. We'll make the compacted coal here. And the oil is right there. We can start making plastic and turbo fuel. And we'll kind of see how much more space we have out here for... Because we need 22 fuel generators. Let's see. So we have 160 of those per minute. Oh, it says right there. I don't know why I had to check. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. So we got the sulfur, we got these two things done. Done. And done. Don't have those yet. We'll get that done tomorrow. As long as I don't get more sick. I won't be streaming if I do, but feeling okay now. So we're getting closer to getting these high speed, high whatever they're called, connection thingamajigs. We're getting there. It's just taking a week. I guess that's kind of the bad thing about the random nodes, is everything is... It's just not optimized. Okay. So how much did he bring? Oh yeah, he filled up the whole thing in one load. So yeah, definitely double probably the capacity of a normal tractor. So beautiful. And then he should have brought fuel. Let's see if it's filling up to make sure that's all going good. Yep, the fuel's right there. Perfect. It is set to load so nothing gets in here or out. And he's got the fuel. One thing I also want to do really quick too. How much fuel's in here? It's full. I do want to go see our fuel situation before, and then I'll probably get off. I just want to make sure the fuel's okay, because this is taking a lot of fuel away from everything else. But I think we'll be okay. Because, yeah, it's going to take a while to fill up. And then stay filled up. Well, not a while, but... I just want to see how our fuel's doing over here. Eventually we can start making some... packaged turbo fuel. Alright, here it is. Oh, there is none in here. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna be okay. It's taken all of it. But I think once those truck stations get filled back up, it'll be okay. Because we're making a lot. It's usually sinking more than it's taking, so I think once they get filled up, we'll be good to go. One thing that is broken, one of my factories is broke. It's not too important to fix, but this one over here, it's not going at full capacity. I mean, it's still making stuff, but these are yellow. Some of them are yellow, they're not fully making everything. So I am having issues with... Oh, this is the petroleum coke area. That's funny. With the heavy oil residue. That's why I have that sinking. And yeah, it's just not. I mean, thankfully this ain't a power plant, so... But yeah, all these are yellow. They're not working. I might just need more pumps. Oil needs pumps, even if it's a straight line. I have tested that. I guess oil is just thicker in the game, too. So there must be some kind of logic with it. Alright. Yeah, these are still full up with fuel. There is one over here that's used more. It's fuel station right there. Both of these fuel stations. Yeah, they're both still full. Okay. I think our fuel's fine. Plus, since it's on splitters, it is filling those up at the same time as getting those, so it should be fine. Oh, that's not good. That's the fun part about Satisfactory, though, huh? A little bit of sarcasm. But yeah, I think we're set for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be making the compacted coal. God, this is a long way to get full. Oh yeah, on the tractor has to get full too. Yeah, I think we're okay though. I'm just gonna keep telling myself we're fine. Fuel's gonna be fine. It'll get filled up. And everything will be fine. Okay. I'm gonna get off. Good luck with your factory. Hopefully, you get everything sorted. I do need to get off and rest for a bit. So, have a good one. Good luck, and hope to see y'all tomorrow. I should be on tomorrow. Fully train connected, huh? Well, good luck with that. Take it easy. Let me know how that goes. I will be back, hopefully tomorrow. Peace.